Okay. So what's some of the benefits when you compare using a drone for mapping and geospatial work as opposed to traditional, like what surveyors do from on the ground?
Oh, so much. Okay, so
Don't worry, we have time.
before we use satellite, before we use satellite imagery, and what I gathered with satellite imagery, first the resolution is not good
Yeah.
because it's taken so far away, and it depends on what you want to look at. So sometimes the imagery is a bit fuzzy. When you zoom in, you can't really see. It's pixelated.
Mhm.
And the other thing that affects us a lot here in the Caribbean is cloud cover. So because of our terrain, for example, we have a volcano, so there's always a little bit of cloud above that volcano, unless it's on a clear day. So looking at imagery from space or through satellite imagery is usually cloud covered. So you have to be able to pick the correct time, or you have to ask them to dig into the archives to see if the passing of the satellite was on a day that was really clear and you could actually see good imagery. So that was one downside. Aerial photography is really good, but again, we spoke about it being time consuming and very costly. And so having drones were actually easier. So you can send up a drone anytime, well, based on weather, and it's easy to repeat. So if you already set up your flight plan or your locality where you want to fly, you can do multiple repetitions of that same area, same dimensions. So it's easy to do like change detection. So you can compare and contrast dates over a period of time using the same flight plan. So that makes it a lot easier.